Today I'm going to teach you how to add files to your GitHub repository and create new files directly on GitHub. This is a fundamental skill for managing your code and documentation, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can see all your repositories and recent activity. Now, look over to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add files or create a new file. This will take you directly into that repository's main page where you can view all its contents and manage files. Once you're inside your chosen repository, locate the Add File button. It's typically positioned near the top of the file list. Click on this button and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a couple of options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This option allows you to bring existing files from your computer into your GitHub repository. You now have two ways to add your files. You can either drag and drop the files directly from your File Explorer into the designated area, or you can click Choose Your Files to open a file browser. If you choose the second option, navigate through your folders, select the file or files you want to upload, and then click Open. Your selected files will now appear in the upload area, ready to be committed. Next, click the Commit Changes button to finalize the upload. This action saves your files to the repository and they become part of your project's history. The commit process might take a moment depending on the size of your files, so just give it a few seconds to complete. Now, if you want to create a brand new file directly on GitHub rather than uploading one, go back and click the Add File button again. This time, select the option that says plus Create New File from the drop-down menu. You'll be taken to a new page with a text editor. In the upper left corner of this page, you'll see a field where you need to type your new file name. Make sure to include the file extension, like .txt, .md, or whatever format you're creating. Below that, you'll see a large text field where you can enter the content for your new file. Type in whatever code, documentation, or text you need for this file. Once you're satisfied with the content, look to the upper right corner and click the Commit Changes button. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the commit. Click Commit Changes again to finalize the creation of your new file. Your file is now saved in your repository and visible to anyone who has access to it. And that's it. You've successfully added files to your GitHub repository and created a new file directly on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.